Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Rifter in the Allure specification. So this vehicle has 16-inch alloy wheels, 2 sliding side doors, rear parking sensors. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter, even has speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 2,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.